What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another video. Eric Go, otherwise known as Oh No It's Eric Go, coming at you guys from the side of the road here in beautiful and sunny Tagaytay. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we are on a little road trip, but our road trip got a little bit derailed. As you can see, we have our car here on the side of the road, and we got a flat tire. So I just wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like to hit up one of these roadside vulcanizing shops in the Philippines. We're gonna cut to B-roll in just a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys the amazing way they actually vulcanize tires here in the Philippines. It's quite weird by American standards, but I hope you guys enjoy it, so have a look. So just a quick tour of the tire shop. It is absolutely nothing like Firestone or Mavis Tire back home. Literally, no joke, the road is here. Our service area, parking area, our service bay is all here in one little tiny shop. So we have this super cool Lancer GSR today. Got a little bit of a hole. Actually, we have a few holes actually. And we're gonna try to patch this up because we're in Tagaytay and there's no tire shops that are gonna get us a 205 40 17, I think. Anyway, back to our quick tour. We have the water here to check for any leaks. Our air hose conveniently wrapped around a steel wheel. And our vulcanizing machines here. Looks like there's an iron that gets sandwiched there. And then we plug in the iron to one of these power outlets over here. I think a rotary buffer or some sort of grinders in the back. Spare tires in case those are of use to someone. Tubes for the tricycles around here. And of course, can't do it without a tire changer. Now I know, ladies and gentlemen, there are some people out there who change tires without the tire changer, but we're a little bit more modern in this third world in today's day, so we have these tire changers which look like copies of Hunter tire machines from back home. Anyway, let's see what the progress is like on this tire. Hope this works. Checking for leaks. Doesn't look like there's any kind of bubbling. Good sign. Thank you, Kuya. All right, so I think that costs what? 350 pesos, which is like 7 USD. Not bad for all that work involved. Let's hope we get home safe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there you have it. Our tire is back on the car. It only took about 20 minutes for not one, but 2 holes to be patched, and it was 350 pesos. I hope you guys like this tour and this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Oh No It's Eric Go. And just a quick peek, just started a blog, so the link to the description to that will be down below. Don't forget to give it a read for more adventures of a Filipino American living here in Manila. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.